Now, your ABC 7 First Alert Weather Forecast with meteorologist John Scalzi.
So the current air temperature is climbing up there. It's at 86 right now. We have a dew point value that's risen just a little bit over the last 24 hours. In fact, it's risen significantly by about 5 degrees or so. We're looking at a dew point of 73 now, and we're kind of climbing up through the afternoon, I think, as a little bit more moisture arrives on the Suncoast. We'll probably top it out today at a dew point of 75, 76, perhaps, maybe not quite 76, but 75. And it will feel a little bit more humid during the afternoon hours. The heat index might be just a little bit higher than it was 24 hours ago, and we'll have a few more clouds around as well. East-northeast wind comes in at about 10, and as we head through the afternoon, we'll factor in that 40% chance of showers. They'll start first in Hardee and DeSoto counties, and they'll gradually drift toward the coast as they eventually just die out, leaving us with a pretty nice overnight, I think. Mostly clear skies, and tomorrow, some drier air will filter in once again. You can see a little bit more rain shower activity in progress currently than we had 24 hours ago. We hardly had anything yesterday. And the further south you go, the better your chances of seeing thunderstorm activity, as well as some more numerous showers. All of this gradually headed in this direction, and we'll pick up a little bit of rain today, but not a lot. So again, this is the precipitable water image map. It's produced by computer models, and it shows you where in the atmosphere the moisture is and where it may go with time. Redder is wetter on this graphic, and the humid air is due to arrive this afternoon. Comes in, brings us a chance of rain, and then tomorrow some drier air filters in to replace it. And that will lower our rain chances as we head into tomorrow, and the weekend I think will be a little bit drier as well as that air finally filters in by Saturday. Might not even have any rainfall whatsoever on Saturday. Humid air then retreats, and I think tomorrow, or not tomorrow rather, but next week, we're likely to see even more humid air begin to arrive on the Suncoast. And here's the reason for that. Our weather has been driven over the last week by this persistent high pressure ridge, which just is kind of anchored in place, doesn't allow any of the cold fronts that have been affecting other parts of the country to approach us even, much less bring us any cooler air. It's also been kind of a persistent east wind on the underbelly of that high. Well, now as we head into the weekend and points thereafter, that high pressure ridge will move out into the Atlantic. And as it does that, we'll start to see our wind shift to a little bit more southerly direction. Well, that's important for a couple of reasons. One, it'll bring the humidity back a little bit. Two, it may affect the red tide irritant in the air as we head into midweek next week. And three, it could bring us a lot more rainfall because it could funnel up some tropical moisture from the south in the Caribbean, where we are carefully watching a system that could develop into a tropical cyclone with time. We'll talk more about that in the next half hour. Mostly sunny and warm, better rain chances today, and we continue monitoring the tropics right into the weekend. So it's a pretty nice day to be out on the water today, I would think. Northeast wind coming in at about 5 to 10, maybe tonight increasing a little bit to about 15, so we'll watch for that. But a moderate chop on bay and inland waters with 2-foot seas. 40% chance of rain showers today. Tomorrow we drop it as that moisture goes away. And on Saturday could be a rain-free day with a daytime high of about 91. Moisture will slowly start to return as we start to twist our winds more to the south. And I think the majority of that moisture due to arrive Tuesday, Wednesday, and even Thursday, Friday could bring our rain chances up to a significant jump, 50, maybe even 60%, and some of the rain could be heavy, depending on exactly what happens with that system, where it tracks, and whether it develops at all. Scott?